Microsoft had a stunning quarter and the stock price has run up tremendously over the past few months. Right now, it's reaching all-time high again. Is it the time to buy right now? Luckily, you follow Alligator Investor and let's find out in this video. In the recent earnings report, Microsoft reported an earning of $52.9 billion, which is 7% growth as compared to last year 2022. Under the revenue, Microsoft break down to three main segments, with productivity and business processes contributing to $17.5 billion, which includes your Office 365, LinkedIn, and the revenue increased 11% year-on-year as compared to 2022. Intelligent Cloud Azure had another stunning quarter, a growth of 16% year-on-year to $22.1 billion. However, in terms of your personal computing, such as all these devices, the revenue actually dropped to $13.3 billion, a 9% decrease as compared to last year. Nevertheless, Microsoft as a whole business itself is still super profitable, with operating income increased by 10% year-on-year, net income increased by 9% year-on-year, as well as the final EPS to be 2.45 and a 10% increment as compared to last year. Now, let's take a look at the valuation and see whether is this the right time to buy. And if you see based on PE, PB, as well as price to sales ratio, every single ratio that we are seeing right now is way more than the past 5 years average. That means Microsoft can be considered overvalued right now. And if you observe the stock price, the stock has gone from $220 shot up all the way to close to $350. This is definitely not the right time to chase. Just like what Warren Buffett said, be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. And that's how Warren Buffett compounded his net worth over time as well. If you want to learn how to invest safely like Warren Buffett and how to use options to take advantage of this current volatile market, then make sure to follow for more investing insights.